Salam.
Tamam. Okay, let's start from November US version 2 model 2. First one, we have to just wait 1 minute. Okay, for first one, we have to just make 6 to first site, it will be 38, so answer is 38C.
Tamam.
Hello. Second one, we have to just open it. We will get x with power of 4 here. Okay, let's do it here. X with power of 4 plus 22x squared plus 121 plus x squared minus 64. From here, we have to do just simplification. We will get here 23x squared. Then we have to find it from here, 57. The answer will be D, right? D.
Hı? Evet.
Third one, it
Ve
says
bu
that it passes through
F9'u
97
verip
point. What?
F9'u verip demə 7-də cavab.
Yeah, it says that it passes through 97, so it means that if line is equal to 7, so answer is A. For what's the y-intercept of the function, we have to write instead of x0, it will be 12 multiplied by 5 squared. 12 multiplied by 25 will be C.
Bu da şeydir.
5, here we have only two options. If it is not A or B, it means that answer is C or D. Let's write it to decimals. Y is greater than 5x minus 6. Then let's put answer here. 3, 3.
Ay, bunun içində olmalı da. Bu
Yeah, it
yaşılın
has to
içində
be inside
olmalıdır.
of green part, so it is not correct. 3, 9. It is not also correct because we don't have here equal sign. So answer will be C or D.
Mən yerinə qoydum burada.
It's also correct. 6, I recommend you write to decimals or put this equation in the put these points in the equation, then check all of them, or you can just write it like this. If you write two of them, it is enough actually, but let's write all of them. Okay, we have this 3 line you can see here. After that, you have to write equation 31. Because we say that C is X, so C, we have to write here 31 X minus Y is equal to negative 6. So answer is A. It's not also hard. Simple question. We have to write instead of X 10, it will be 90 minus 10, 80 multiplied by 2, 160D. We have to just find A with writing instead of Y 0, X will be equal to negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3 or negative something like this or that one. Okay, which of the following is the solution of the equation above? We have to just find this, we have to just write it like this, x squared plus 2x minus 72 is equal to 0. Then we have to find discriminant is equal to b squared, 4 minus 4ac. 1, negative 72. So it will be 292. Then we can write x minus equal to negative b, negative 2 plus square root of 292 over 2a, which is 2. Then it will be equal to negative 1 plus square root of 292 over 4, which is 73. Answer will be C. That one says that what's the difference between
Ona görə
compare,
ama şeydir.
right, they are same. Compare standard deviation of post data. You can see that when we add 11 here, it will be 13. Again, difference is 11, 11, 11. All of them is 11. For this case, range and standard deviation are same, so answer will be C. Then C. 11. Ratio of 5 to x is equal to ratio of y to 8. Let's write it here. Ratio means that we have to divide 5 by x, and it is equal to y by 8. Then we have to do cross multiplication. It will be xy is equal to 40. And from here, we can write that x is equal to 40 over y. So answer is D. 12. For 12, it said decreasing by 20% every time. Decreasing by 20% means that we have to write it like this, 100 minus 20 over 100. It is B inside of bracket like A or B. And also
Every
because
dediğine
it
göre.
say every 5 seconds, it have to be X over 5, A. Answer is A here. 13. Machine makes 9-inch, 8-inch, and 3-inch parts. Let's write it 9-inch, 8-inch, and 3-inch parts. Then it says that during a certain day, number of 9-inch parts are 4 times of n of 8-inch part. It means that 8-inch part are n part. 9-inch will be 4 times of that one. It will be 4n parts. Then it says that we have 15 3-inch part. Okay, there's a thing like that. If we write it like this, 9 multiplied by 4n plus 8 multiplied by n plus 3 multiplied by 15. It will be a little bit different because for that one, it have to be it will show you total number of inch. So that's why it is not correct. It have to be inch. But if you add that part, 4n, n, and 15, it will be equal to 5n plus 15, and it will be number of parts, it will be 100. Okay, just wait 1 minute. So here answer will be 5n plus 15. Do you have any question from until here? No? Okay. Let's continue. 14. For 14 says that circle has a center of 3, 7. Tangent, it is tangent to, okay, when we have tangent line, we can write formula like that for tangent line.
Bu perpendiküler olmalıdır. Buna göre
Yes, they
onun
are
slopu
perpendicular to
minus
each
1 olmalıdır.
other, and we can write that slope of tangent line is equal to, just wait. So let's write here tangent line multiple by slope of radius is equal to -1. We can write something like that. Then it says the slope of line T. Line T is tangent line, so let's write here -5 over 4 multiple by, we have 3, 7 and a -4. If we find slope from here, we will find automatically slope of radius. So it will be 7 minus -4 over 3 over 3 minus a, and it is equal to -1. And we can write instead of a x, then we can find it or we can calculate it. Let's write just x. So answer is that one. And let's make it like this, then we will get this answer automatically. 16.75. 16.75 is equal to 67 over 4, so answer is D. Okay, I enter answer here. Good. For that one,
Mən də yazırıq.
no need. Actually, I will explain. I saw this question only for once, so it is important question. Important. So here you have to just know that area of right triangle is equal to half of product of legs. I hope you know what's the meaning of legs. Legs mean in our language katet. Yəni düzbucaqlı üçbucağın sahəsi katetlərin hasinin yarısına bərabərdir. Okay, it says that we have one legs here. We have to find this length, let's say. So you can see that Okay, let's identify what's the point coordinate of this point. It is 4 and 9. Let's write it. It is 4 and 9. And we have also here negative 5 and positive 3. Then we can write here this formula. Distance is equal to square root of y2 minus y1, 3 minus 9, plus negative 5 minus 4. Then it is equal to square root of, from here we will get 36, from here we will get 81, it will be 117. And square root of 117 is actually 9 multiplied by 13, so it is 3 square root of 13. Do you have any of you, do you have any question until here? Did you understand all part?
Yazmadım müəllim.
What?
Mən belə yazmadım. Bunları silin.
How did you solve it?
Amma yazdım məsələn bir dənə böyük A. Bu 4 ilə 5-i silin, burada 4 ilə 5-i.
Sen dene.
Hə, A bərabərdir. 4,4,9. Bu mötərizəni qoyun.
Dört virgül dokuz.
Bərabərdir.
Beraber de.
Yox, aşağıdan yazın başqa o 7-yə. B bərabərdir.
Ha tamam, sen
Mən-
burada şeyden istifade edin.
O Y8'e basın. Oradan distance'a basın sonra funksiyondan aşağı gedib.
Ve distance
Tamam.
of document. AB
AB yazın.
belə.
Hə, vur X. Böyle option bunu böl 2'ye. Ha, distance yukarısı gitti.
Okay, then it is equal to 48 square root of 13. If you want, you can also do it like that. You can use distance
Ama
function.
burada 32 çıxdı axı cavab onda.
Buradan baxsan da. Buradan keçəcək. Buna davam var.
Ha, tamam.
Okay, this method and this method actually same, but you are using the distance function instead of that one. After finding 3 square root of certain, we have to multiply it by x. It is second legs. We have to divide it by 2. We will get total area. It is 48 square root of 13. And from here we have to find x. X will be 32. So answer is B for this question shortly. Probably you will see also this question at one of exam, upcoming exam.
Mən bilirsiz nə başa düşmədim? Onlar sizdən. Baxın, biz kök altda 117 tapdıq.
Right,
Kök altda 117 hansı layıqdır?
this one. So we have another like here, like this. We don't know.
Okay.
That
Yəni
one is
başqa
perfect.
layıqdır elə.
Ha,
Okay.
bu biri de bir kat etti. Digər də x-dir. Bu hipotenus kimi görünür çox uşağa, belə beyinlərində belə bir şey çəkilir, amma bu hipotenus eləkdir.
O hansı formuldur bəs? 3 minus 9 slope-un yoxsa nətər? Ay, slope deyil axı bu.
Yox, bu distance formuladır. 2 dənə nöqtə veriləndə
Aa,
x1, y1, and x2, y2.
aha.
You can use this formula. Distance is equal to square root of y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. Or you can use formula which Hüseyin said.
Yox, bu yaxşıdır elə. Bu
Actually, both of them are easy. You can use one of them. Or you can write A is equal to that one, B is equal to that one, then you can write it like this.
Sonra neynədik? Sonra da 3 kök altda 13 vur x böl 2 bu şeydir də.
Area.
Area-dır elə.
Evet, area.
Area-da 48 13 orada yazılıb.
Yeah, it is given here. It's the area of this triangle.
Aha, çox başa düşdüm. O birisini də bu da o birisini tapırıq elə x-i.
Yes,
X da gelir.
right.
Başa düşdüm. O
Okay.
3 kök altda 13 o birisidir. 42 32 də budur. Yəni 3 dənə olur.
Yeah, right. We have this one as a lake and search to as a lake.
Başa düşdüm.
Okay, let's continue. It says that
Bir də iki
bəli.
dənə bucağı verib, bir dənəsi də vermədi ki, bunlar kongruent olsun. İki dənə tərəfi də vermədi ki, bunlar kongruent olsun, prooflansın.
Yeah, right. For congruency, we have most of time SAT use SAS. What's the meaning of SAS? It means side, angle, side. But here we have one important note. Angle must be between given side, given two sides.
Olmalıdır.
Okay, let's draw it. Let's look what we will get. Let's say that we have two triangles like this. It is first one. It is second one. Okay, now let's say that we have ABC here. Let's write it. Just wait, just wait. It is A. It is B. It is C. D. E, F. Okay, now it says that in question it say AB and DE are each equal to 5 centimeter. AB and AB, that one and DE, both of them is 5. Let's write it. It is 5, it is also 5. Then it says that A and D are 35. That one is 35. And this one is also 35.
Tıfı ilə nasıl lazımdır onda? Ona görə də belə.
Okay. Now for making them congruent to each other or saying them congruent to each other, we have to know that AC is equal to DF. Because when we know this information, this angle will be between these two given sides, then it will be correct. But if we know BC and EF, this angle will be not between these two sides. That's why it is not correct. That's why answer is AC and DF. Or you can think it like that. For using SAS, if ABC is similar to... Okay, let's do it, say it like that. For using SAS, if angle is A and D, we have to know AB is equal to DE. And we have to know AC is equal to DF. So you can see that here we have A, D, D. So you can also think it like that. Because BC and EF will be automatically opposite of A and D, which we don't need to know. Okay, answer is B, shortly. Any question? Okay, let's continue. This one, first we have to find this equation. You can see that it is going to down, so it means that slope is negative. We don't need to find exact value of slope, but let's do it because it is not very hard. You can create a triangle here. It will be 2 and 2, so it is 1. It is negative 1, negative x minus 8. It says that f of x minus 19 is shown, so it means that is equal to f of x minus 19. And from here we have to find f of x. F of x will be equal to negative x plus 11. So that's why we have to take negative c and positive d. Answer will be c here.
İyi müəllim.
So
No.
the answer will be a because
B.
y-intercept is positive, slope is negative. So it is a. Okay, any question?
Bilərdik.
Axıncı olmalıdır ya.
Yok, bu olmalı.
Ya
Because
bir saniye, bir saniye.
slope is negative. You can write it like this.
Ada slope negativdir. Ada axı plusdır.
Negative.
Çox deyil.
Slope x'in amsaldır. C is slope here.
Hə, bir saniye. Olar onda baxım. 11 minus x. Deməli A deyil ha burada.
Yeah, answer is A.
Biləmək olardı əslində. Bu tablo qurardıq. Sonra y1
Yeah, it's also okay, but we don't need to do it.
Tamam.
Başa düşdüm. Bəs x azalmır əslində. Hədə x azalır, minus olmalıdır.
Yeah, that's why.
Bir dəqiqə. Ha, hə, A olmalıdır da 19 yuxarı olub axı. İndi
Yeah, right.
19 qaldı. Hə, understood.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, for that one, it says that one of the neurons will be selected at random. What's the probability of selecting neuron will a cell body diameter that is less than or equal to 30 micrometers? Given that, if we know given that, you have to first read it is second part. It is not classified as a motor neuron. Not classified as a motor neuron, it means we have to delete that part. So we will have here 13. We have to select it from 13, 7, 3, 10, 34, and 0, right? We have to add all of them. Then we have to look here. What's the probability that it is less than or equal to 30? Less than or equal to 30 mean it is this part, right? Here. So now we have to take 13 plus 7 plus 10 and 34. Then answer will be equal to 64 over 67. This is the correct answer. Any question? Okay. This one, we have to just write to decimals. We have to write instead of ky. Square root of y minus x is equal to 32 minus x. Then you have to look at this intersection point. Not intersection point. You have to look at this, let's say, turning point or vertex point. You have to become very closer, and you will see that it is actually 31.75. So k is equal to 31.75. Then you have to multiply by 4. So answer is 127.
Ya da diskriminant sıfıra bərabər də ola bilərdi.
Yeah, also you can raise the square, or you can make discriminant equal to 0. It's also correct. But it will take time. That's why I'm not showing that one. So use this method. Here.
Bax deyə olur.
Yeah, it's D, right. X plus 2b. When factor, here we have to use this formula. When factor is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to 0.
Burada o birisi, o siz bizə göstərdiniz dərsdə. Onun kimi eləmirik.
Yeah, actually, yeah, we are doing same thing. We have to make it equal to 0. From here, we have to find x. Then we have to plug it in answer. Then we have to get also 0. So now, shortly, it means we have to make both of them equal to 0. So it will be a little bit different from question which we did at lesson. Derslerimizden biraz farklı bu aslında. Ama we can also use that method for this question.
Yəni sıfıra bərabər eləyirik də.
Yeah, shortly we have to make both of them equal to 0. Then you have to write instead of by. Because why we can write here y? Because we have two equations. We have x, so we can use also another variable. So two variable, two equation, it means we can get answer. But if it was like that, we cannot write instead of by. We will get nothing. Okay, now we have to look intersection point. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so b is equal to 0. It says that b is a positive integer, but 0 is not positive, so it is not correct. Now let's take option B. For option B, we will get 0, we will get 1.5. 1.5 is not integer, it is not correct. We have to look here. You can see that it is not also integer. And last one, we will get integer for this one. So answer is 3.
Olar bir şey soruşum.
Yes.
Biz o birisində də ikisinə də 0 yazdıq belə.
No, it was different.
Bildim.
But yeah, I actually we make both of them equal to 0. But not like this. We make out a different method. For our lesson from our question from today's lesson was like that: 3x squared plus 10x minus 20, let's say. It says that is x minus for example, 5 factor of that one, we make it equal to 0. We got x is equal to 5.
Mhm.
Then we
Yazdı.
write f of x. Then we write this 5 here.
F5.
Because we didn't get 0 here, it means that isn't factor.
Aa,
So that
biz
one
orada
and
zero
that one are
alıyoruz.
similar.
Şu an başa düştüm. Okay.
So when one again, you have to write instead of k, y. When we are talking about number of solution for quadratic equation, you can use this method. X multiplied by yx minus 40 is equal to -8. Then you will get something like that. So you can see that we have one turning point here. So when k is equal to 50, it means that there is one solution. But in this question, probably it asks, two distinct solutions. So that's why it have to be less than 50. So k is less than 50 mean there is two solutions. So what's the biggest value of k? It is 49. So answer is 49. Okay, let's continue. This one, we have to write it like this. A is equal to 416% of B. A is equal to 0.064% of C. Then it says that C is equal to P% of B. Okay, now if you want, you can give a number. You can get answer from there, or you can also create an equation from here. We know that that one mean it is 4.16. This one mean 20 when we delete percent. And that one mean it is P multiplied by B over 100. Okay, now we have to find P from here. So let's write instead of B. Let's do it like this. Let's write B like that. Okay, now let's do some substitution here. Let's write instead of B, A over 4.16. Let's write instead of C, A over 0.0064. Then let's eliminate A and A. Then let's write instead of px, then we will get this answer in decimals. Then let's delete it by 1000. So we will get 650. Instead of that one also you can probably use, okay, no, we don't need to use that. Another thing. Okay, it's like that. It's so. Do you have
Ama
any?
bir rəqəm versə olur da, daha tez
Yeah,
olar
also
məncə.
you can give a number instead of B and C. It's also okay. No, just for example C or B. It's also okay. Do you have any question?
Baxa bilərik.
What?
14-də deyirəm təzədən baxa bilərik.
14'da. This one.
Yes.
Okay, for this one,
Bunu çevrə tənliyin eləmək olar.
çevrən tənliyi değil bu. Çevrən tənliyini eləyə bilməzsən. Okay, in this question it says that we have a circle. Here it is 3 and 7. You can find actually equation of circle, but you cannot do anything with that one. Yani çevrən tənliyi tapa bilərsən, amma onunla heç nə eləyə bilməyəsən. Okay, it says a circle. It is center is 3 and 7. Here it is 3 and 7. Let's write it. Line T is tangent to this circle point A at -4. So we have line like that. And we have this point. This point is A at -4. So because angle between radius and this point is equal to 90 degree, we can say that they are perpendicular to each other. All the time, tangent line and radius is equal, perpendicular to each other. Toxunan və radius bir-birinə perpendicular olur. So, slope of tangent line multiplied by slope of radius is equal to -1. We can find slope of radius with using these 2 points. It will be like this, 7 minus -4 over 3 minus 8. And it says that slope of tangent line is equal to 5 over 4. So let's write it here. So it will be equal to -1. Then you have to just calculate the value of A. You can write instead of AX. Then you will get answer. Aydındır. Yunus.
Thank you.
For getting answer from here directly, you can write here plus. So it is our answer. Tam aydındır.
Aynen.
No. Okay, if you don't have any question, we can look second one. Okay. Value of y is 36 more than twice of x. It will be 2x plus 36. Burada aslında şeye bakmadık. Bunu az adam yazmıştı da ümumiyyətlə. Minus 17. Xəzər probably 18.
Orada mən
Şey,
bilmədən birini D yazmışdım, çaşıb mən B yazmışdım, çaşıb D götürmüşdüm.
Leyla
O şeydə.
ya son 14. Tamam. Olabilir. Okay.
Orada mən bəzilərini yəqin buraxmışam ona görə asanlıqları.
Tamam. Ümid edirəm bütün sualları başa düşdünüz. Yəni imtahanda da belə bunun kimi suallar görəsiniz. Yəni bunları başa düşsəniz imtahanda bilmədiyiniz sual, yəni görmədiyiniz sual çox az olacaq. Bir dənə, iki dənə belə bir şey. Onlar da bunlara oxşar olacaq. Yəni bunlar önəmlidir. Yəni bunları bir dəfə işlədiniz, aradan biraz vaxt keçəndən sonra təzədən işləyin, yəni təkrar işləyin. Value of y is 36 more than twice of x, it means it is 2x plus 36. A. What's the meaning of 250? 250 is slope. Slope show how it's changed. Down payment is 2,500. Each fixed monthly payment, it is slope, it is 250. So answer is B.
İç varsınızda promo götürürük də.
Yeah. When we have each, most of time it is slope. Not every
Baxın,
time, but
hardadır iç? Hardadır iç?
here.
Hə, iç də deməli slope-dur elə, yəni iç.
Not every time, but most of time, yeah, it is slope.
Elə 250, hə, belə başa düşdünüz, bildim.
Belə də fikirləşə bilərsən. T represent here number of months, number of fixed monthly payment. So you have also this word here, so it is also slope.
Okay.
Okay, how many solution we have? 9x will be eliminated, 0 is equal to 4, 0. Həll eləsən 0 bərabər 4 əldə edəcəksiniz. O da 0 əldə var deməkdir. Increase it by 7% means that you have to do it like this. 100 plus 7 over 100, it is 1.07. So answer will be D. And that one is always, it is equal to B. It is value of B, not A. A is initial value. It is exponential function. Exponential. We show the following best interpretation of vertex. Vertex is minimum or maximum. Here it will be minimum because we don't have maximum. And this number always represents the minimum or maximum value. So answer will be A. Most students think because we have minimum here, they are not taking that one, they are taking C or D. For C or D, it says started moving. So when it is like that, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, then you can take C or D.
When we can C or G take when
When it is a x square plus bx plus c, you can take c or d. But if it is
belə
given
formada
like
belə
this,
formada versə onda elə götürürük elə.
yeah, it can be c and or d. But if it is given in vertex form, then you have to take
Okay.
a or b. Minimum
Mhm.
or park rents, earn revenue. Okay, revenue $12 for each beach umbrella. It means that you have to multiply 12 by number of umbrella. Let's say it is X. It is revenue. Earn it 276. It is profit. So let's write it here because we write instead of profit 276, think like this. Minus 120 because it's cost. Then find X. X will be here. 33. Answer is D. Raise it to square, find V. It is not very hard. Or put a number. For example, write instead of W 5 in decimals. Then you can find R. Then put it here. Then look it again. Yani yerine rəqəmlər qoyaraq da eləyə bilərsiniz. Hemisphere means that is 1 over 2 multiplied by square 4 over 3 P R cube. And it says that radius is equal to certain. Then right here certain, you will get 4,600. One answer is D. Don't forget pi here. Sometimes it asks like this. Volume of hemisphere is equal to Kp, K pi. What's the value of K? Then you don't need to write pi here. Bazen deyir ki, neysə, hansısa figürün həcmi x p-yə bərabərdir. Onda p-ni yazmamalısınız. Amma belə deyəndə
Ya da cavablarda göstərir P-lə
ya da
onda da
cavablarda,
yazılır.
çox vaxt cavablarda göstərir. Amma burada elə bir şey yoxdur deyə p-ni də yazmalısınız.
Siz yaza bilərsiniz müəllim. 1464. Onsuz da dəxlisi olmayan cavab çıxır ki, 64 çox uzaqdır məncə. Ona görə
Ola bilər, indi açıq sual ola bilər ya da başqa bir şey ola bilər. Bəzən belə yazanda da biraz səhv çıxır. Ona görə həmişə p yazın. 9. For 9, first we have to find a. For finding a, we have to use this point, 1.75 and this number. Here it says that x is inch and y is pound. So it means that 1.75 is x. So let's write it instead of x. Then let's write instead of y 3,858.75 because both of them are pound. Then let's find a. Let's write here x. We will get 1.44 a. It means that it is actually like that. And it is x. And it is y. Okay. After that, we have to write instead of x 7.6, 7.5. Then we will get 7,875. So answer is this one. 10. H of x is equal to this function. It's also we have x-intercept like this. So if you write it here, you will see that p is equal to 2 actually. So h of x is equal to x plus 2, x minus 6, and 2x minus 8.
P-yi hardan başa düşdük ki 2-dir. Mən məsələn özüm belə P-yi baxdım elə bil nətər demişsə, dəsməsin özündə. Oradan 2-yu tapdım. Bəs siz buradan hardan başa düşdünüz?
Because sizin x-intercept, it is x-intercept, right? Y is equal to 0.
-2 axı deyir o.
It is x-intercept, right?
Aha.
So we have x-intercept form like this. A multiplied by x minus x1, x minus x2, and etc. So that's why we have to subtract it from x. Yani x minus -2. It have to be like this.
Başa düşdüm hə.
Then it will be
Okay.
11. For 11, you have to do it like this. X is greater than or equal to -9. ax minus 24 is less than or equal to 21, then I think if we write instead of ay, we can maybe get answer. And then take that one and put it here. So let's look what we will get. What's
Yes, we will
what's
get.
the value of y? No, we didn't get anything.
No, we get. Amma elə öz formasında yazın.
Like this.
Ha, indi baxın orada. Ha, o kəsişmədə. -5.
Aslında bunu belə yazanda görünməli idi. Okay. Aslında cavab -5'ti.
Hı.
Ama we write instead of ay. Okay, bu biraz qarşı.
Orada görsənirdi, amma orada qırılmışdı da. Bir dənə amma elə yazın, özünüz necə yazdınız? Ha, indi baxın orada. Ha.
Bildim buranı deyirsən, amma biz y-a a dedik. Burada y-in yuxarısında olmalıydı bu. Y-in burada ən böyük qiyməti, a-nın ən böyük qiyməti elə müsbət sonsuzluqdur. Yox, bu niyəsə olmadı.
Ha.
Amma bu düzdür əslində buradakı rəqəm. Belə cavab -5 idi məncə. Okay, then let's do it like this. Let's write instead of x -9. Then calculate it. Then let's write instead of a y. So you will see that answer is -5. So -5. Write to decimals or add it. You will get answer. Certain. Okay, certain. %86% of h is equal to 34% of j. J is equal to
Promoy müəllim. Onu da çıxar məncə.
necə?
Başqa promoy 86 100 deyək, oradan
Yeah,
86
right. Write instead of k 100, you will get j is equal to 43. Then you can write it here, 43. Let's write it also here. Then let's write instead of h, x, then find h from here. So h is equal to 70. Let's write. Okay, we find this number. If you want, you can also tell k is equal to 200. You will get same thing. After that, it says that what percentage of k, let's write x% of k, 100 is equal to 17, and from here x is equal to 70. So answer is 70, shortly. Any question?
No.
Okay.
Beləsi sual həm başa düşürük.
Yeah, yes.
Demək olar da yəni həm.
Blackboard used a lot of percent question last year compared to 2023. For that one, for one real solution, we say that write instead of r or k or another letter y, then look this vertex or turning point. So answer will be -46.
Turning point-a baxırıq elə.
Yes, you have to look.
Kəsişməyə yox. Mən kəsişmə götürmüşdüm.
No, you don't need to look the intersection point. 15. Because it say every increase of 2, we look this type of question a lot of time. When say every increase of 2, it have to be x over 2, right? So answer is D here. Any question?
No.
So if say every increase of 0.5, it will be B. Every increase of 10, it will be x over 10. Okay. Geçen sual yoksa devam edelim. Here it says that AB is equal to square root of 61.
Tez getər məncə.
What?
Oxşarlıqdan məncə daha tez gedər.
Yeah, we will use similarity. Okay, here we have to use first Pythagore. We will find that BC is equal to 6. Then we have to find area of ADA, bigger triangle. So that's why we have to find AE and DE. It says that CE is equal to, okay, 35. So if CE is equal to 35, we can find here AE, right? It is equal to 35 plus 5, so it is 40. We have to find also DE. You have to think like this. BC over DE is equal to AC over AE. Some student write here CE. It is not correct. CE is not correct. Then use it. We will get something like this. 6 over X is equal to 5 over 40.
Olar bir şey soruşurum. Bəs hardan bilək ki, məsələn, BC böləcəyi, AC bir də AE, yəni
You
onlar
have to look
oxşardır.
same angle. For example, BC and DE are opposites of same angle, A.
Aha.
AC and AE is opposite of same angle, B and D. B and D are equal to
Ha.
each other because this line are parallel.
Ha, başa düşdüm. Başa düşdüm. Ha.
Okay. So then for finding this area 40 multiple by 48 over 2. 960.
Ya da biz siz nə edə bilərik? Bu AC, bu balçıq bucağın sahəsini tapıb
It's
64
also
olaraq
correct.
oradan
Yes, also you can do it like this. You can find this area of this triangle, then you can use similarity with area. It's also okay. That's one. You have to just select point, write to table, then find P and W. So that one is 12, 12, negative 12 and 12. This one is 0, 1. 154x1 plus py1 w. P plus w is equal to 336. Answer is 336. Any question?
No.
Okay. Okay, for that one, we have a rule like this. Standard deviation is inverse with center. So standard deviation show how number are far from center. If it's a smallest standard deviation, if we have a lot of number in the middle, it means that it's smallest. Yəni nə qədər çox mərkəzdə ədədimiz varsa, o qədər balacadır. So that's my answer C. Because for A, we have 55, 5. For B, it is less than A. It is also less than A, and it's also less than A. So answer is A. If you have a lot of
Əsas
number in the
mərkəzdir,
middle,
ya.
it means that standard deviation is lower. If you have a lot of number in the, let's say, how to say, as an outlier, 3 and 7, yəni uzaqda, it means that standard deviation is bigger.
Okay.
So answer is A, shortly. 19. We looked this question today with some of you. You can write to decimals, you can get this answer from graph. You can do this method, and also you can also use this method. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then it is equal to negative 12 square plus negative 12 square minus 4ac.
Bunun ən yaxşısı şey deyil, o cavabdan baxırıq,
Yeah,
sonra
also you can do it like that. It's
kvadrat.
also correct.
Hı.
But generally, I prefer this method. From here, we have to write 12 plus square root of 156 over 2a. Then it will be 6 plus square root of 156 over 4. Then answer will be for 39. Answer is B. Also, you can get the solution from decimals. You can do something like that. It's also okay.
Okay.
20. We know that for system of equation, we have three types of solution. It can be no solution. It can be one solution. It can be infinite number of solution. But when I say at least one solution, it means that no solution is not correct. It have to be one solution or infinite number of solution. Here, if you look that one at that, if you write this one and this one to decimals, you will get total same thing. So it means it is infinite number of solution, infinite. For second one, because it is plus, it is minus, it will be one solution. So it means that both of them correct. Answer is C. Any question?
No.
Okay. 21.
Bunu mən başa düşmədim ha. Bunu necə eləyirlər?
For 21, you have to create a table 12 and 0.
Bunu yazırıq mənim sonra A-nın yerinə 2 yazırıq o kvadrat funksiyada. Buramı çıxırdı ondan sonra.
Yes, right.
Aha, mən də belə yazdım, aha.
But it says that a is greater than 1, so a is 2.
Belə, sadəcə, başa düşdüm. Olar bir dənə 21-ə qalxasız. Screen elədim, söz. Başa düşdüm. Bəs 3
Birincisi,
yazsaydıq, məsələn, A-nın yerinə.
Necə?
siyasət çıxmayacaqdı məncə.
3 yazsın, cavabda yoxdur. Amma
Bəs
bəzi... Bu da düzdür, amma cavabda yoxdur.
başa düşdüm, hə.
Açıq sual olsaydı düz idi. Hüseyn, sən isə
Okey.
Aşağı 2 suala girdim. Burada nəsə miledan per sekunda keçəndə həmişə demək olar B çıxır. Fikir vermisiniz deyirdim.
bunlarda da bəzən də B çıxır, bəzən də A çıxır. Onu hesaplamaq lazımdır.
Burada azdan çoxa keçəndə B çıxır, çoxdan aza keçəndə A çıxır. Amma burada
Cavab.
Çox vaxt A-dan B çıxır, amma elə imtahanda da götürsəniz riskli olar. Sən burada nə demişdin?
deyirdim, yəni ki, burada
Burada
miledan
bəli, hə.
mile'a keçirsə B olur məncə.
Elə
Bəli,
bir
bəli.
riskli də elə yadda saxlamaq bunu şeydir.
Yo, elə bir 10 saniyə zad qalsa oradan
Elə
yəni
10 saniyə qalsa, o məntiqli deyil eləmək. Okay, 1 mile is equal to 1609 meter. Because we have here meter, we have to convert it to mile, so we have to find 1 meter here. 1 meter is equal to 1 over 1609 mile, right? So it means that we can write instead of meter 1 over 1609 mile. So it will be mile. Now we have to also convert second to minute. We know that 1 second is equal to 1 over 60 minutes. So we have to write here 1 over 60, but because it's square, you have to also raise to square. Answer is B, right? Okay. Okay, any question from this test?
No. Hər şey başa düşdü ya. Çox qəşəng.
Okay, good.
Sağ
What about you, Hacer, Hamid, Leyli, Yunus, İsa, Emilia?
Hər şey aydın idi müəllim. Çox sağ olun.
Okay,
Aydındır müəllim, sağ olun.
tamam. Bugünlük bu qədər onda. Sabah gün 5-ci. Birinci gün görüşərik. Bunları yazmayanlar varsa yazın. Suallarınızı, səhvlərinizi mənə atın. Gələn dərs baxarıq, problem deyil, amma yazın. Davamlı yazmağa çalışın.
Sabah dərs yoxdur.
Sabah yox, 6-cı gündür deyə. Yox, sabah sizdən var, gün ortadır. O bu dərsdən ayrıdır.
İçində yazmadım, təzədən.
Dəqiqə.